Do you know what your child's volume to height ratio is?
What do you mean?
Morphologically, children have a higher surface area to mass ratio than adults. More skin, less insides. It makes them more vulnerable to cold exposure.
Okay.
Similarly, children have half the body volume of adults. Mum, you're in good shape. Do you control your portion sizes? For today's lunch, I have corrected your meal size. Enjoy.
Oh, this is too much for me.
Your child's half your volume. I have merely resized their meal portions and drink accordingly. You're twice as big. They're half your size. Reduce their portions.